Healthy Mediterranean recipes for weight loss. Are you despondent with following weight loss eating plans, diets, and exercises because the scale barely seems to budge? There are several reasons why we can't purge these unwanted fats, and one of those reasons can be chronic stress. Blindly chasing incorrect diet plans and exercises leaves you with anxiety, stress, increased heart rate, and high blood pressure. When we are anxious, our body produces a hormone called cortisol that stores the fat around our waist. Severe depression leads to excessive food consumption, which is the reason we can't lose weight. If you're looking for a magical diet plan that can help you get rid of these extra pounds, then stay tuned. Because we have brought some healthy Mediterranean recipes for weight loss that'll shoo your worries away. Don't forget to punch the subscribe button to see more edifying videos. Mediterranean recipes for weight loss. A panel of nutrition and weight loss experts at US News and World Report have named the Mediterranean diet the best overall diet for 4 years running, most recently crowning it the very best diet of 2021. The Mediterranean diet was followed by Italy and Greece back in 1960. Researchers noted that these people were exceptionally healthy compared to Americans and had a low risk of many lifestyle diseases. Numerous studies have now shown that the Mediterranean diet can cause weight loss and help prevent heart attacks, strokes, type 2 diabetes, and premature death. People around the Mediterranean have traditionally followed a diet that's rich in plant-based foods including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, bread, legumes, potatoes, nuts, and seeds. The main dietary fat is the extra virgin olive oil, and people also consume moderate amounts of red wine, fish, poultry, dairy, and eggs. Meanwhile, red meat only plays a small part. Though there isn't one defined Mediterranean diet, this way of eating is generally rich in healthy plant foods and relatively lower in animal foods, with a focus on fish and seafood. Mediterranean breakfast strata. The ingredients of this lip-smacking dish are 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 shallots minced, 1 cup of button mushroom sliced, 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram leaves, 6 cups of white bread cut into 1/2 inch chunks, 1/2 cup artichoke hearts cut into 1/8, 1/4 cup Kalamata olives quartered, 1/4 cup marinated sun-dried tomatoes, 1/4 cup shredded Parmesan cheese, 4 ounces or 1 cup fresh mozzarella cheese balls halved, 6 eggs, 1/2 cups half and half, 1/4 cup basil leaves slivered, kosher salt, and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. For individual strata, brush insides of 4 1-cup baking dishes. If serving family style, brush inside of 2-quart baking dish. Recipe: preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large skillet over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add garlic and shallots and saute for 2 minutes. Add mushrooms and marjoram and cook for another 4 minutes. Remove from heat and place mushroom mixture in a large bowl with bread chunks, artichoke hearts, Kalamata olives, sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan, and fresh mozzarella, and stir to mix. Season lightly with kosher salt. Fill baking dishes evenly with the bread mixture. In a 4-cup liquid measuring cup, mix eggs with half and pour 1 cup of egg mixture evenly over bread in each dish. Garnish with basil and more Parmesan. Place baking dishes on a baking sheet and bake for 50 minutes or until eggs have set. Remove from oven and let rest 5 minutes before serving. Mediterranean chickpea salad stuffed avocados. The ingredients of this delicious recipe are chickpeas or white beans, red bell pepper, fresh parsley, red onion, celery, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, kosher salt, pepper, and avocados. Recipe: chop ingredients into the same bite-sized pieces. Canned beans are most often used in Mediterranean salads. Rinse and drain the canned beans well and gently toss with the dressing so they don't break apart. Chop the celery or any leafy herb or green and add right along to the salad. Add some lemon juice to give the salad a fresh flavor. Try cilantro with lime juice. Choose firm avocados for stuffing. Take out the brown nub and fill the avocado with the stuffing. This is one of the healthiest recipes that you can have in lunch and dinner, or as a snack in the afternoon. This salad will last for 3 to 4 days in your refrigerator. This salad is filled with vitamins, iron, and calcium, which is highly necessary for our body and plays a vital role in weight loss. Research continues to show that the Mediterranean diet, based on healthy foods and physical activity, is the best prescription for a long and healthy life. It is an excellent, enjoyable diet plan that's easy to follow and flexible. Are you enjoying the video so far? Don't forget to smash the subscribe and like button to see more delectable and informative content. Mediterranean afternoon and evening snacks. Spread 1 slice of 100% whole grain bread or 2 whole grain flatbread crackers with 2 tablespoons of hummus. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon of olive oil and add salt, pepper, or other seasonings to taste. Mediterranean pan-seared salmon. Preheat a large heavy skillet over medium heat for 3 minutes. Coat salmon with olive oil. Place in skillet and increase heat to high. Cook for 3 minutes. Sprinkle with capers and salt and pepper. Turn salmon over and cook for 5 minutes or until browned. Salmon is done when it flakes easily with a fork. Transfer salmon to individual plates and garnish with lemon slices. Mediterranean skewers dinner. Slice white onion and green pepper into chunks. Set out 10 grape tomatoes. Alternate pieces of onion, pepper, and cherry tomatoes on skewers and grill. Serve with 5 ounces of grilled salmon and 1 6-inch whole wheat pita pocket. Spread pita with 2 tablespoons hummus. Finish with 1 cup fat-free milk. The Mediterranean diet encourages eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods and limits processed foods and added sugars, which are often high in calories. For this reason, pairing the Mediterranean diet with a healthy lifestyle could promote weight loss. One review of 5 studies found that the Mediterranean diet was as effective as other popular diets, like the low-carb diet for weight loss, resulting in up to 22 pounds of weight loss over 1 year. Likewise, a large study in over 32,000 people showed that long-term adherence to the Mediterranean diet was associated with a decreased risk of gaining weight and belly fat over 5 years. Here are some foods that you can enjoy as part of the Mediterranean diet. Fruits. Apples, oranges, strawberries, kiwis, melons, blueberries, pears, peaches, apricots. Vegetables. Spinach, arugula, broccoli, cauliflower, onions, zucchini, asparagus, kale, potatoes. Legumes. Chickpeas, lentils, beans, peanuts. Whole grains. Quinoa, couscous, millet, oats, brown rice, buckwheat, whole grain pasta. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, pistachios, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, sunflower seeds. Poultry. Chicken, turkey, goose, duck. Seafood. Salmon, tuna, trout, mackerel, anchovies, sardines, mussels. Eggs. Egg yolks and egg whites. Dairy. Cheese, yogurt, milk. Healthy fats. Olive oil, avocados, olives, avocado oil. Herbs and spices. Basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, pepper, turmeric, garlic, cinnamon, coriander. Beverages. Water, coffee, tea, red wine. 1 to 2 glasses per day. Following a healthy Mediterranean diet can not only help increase weight loss, but also enhance heart health, reduce inflammation, and promote better blood sugar control. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below for your suggestions. Also, share your favorite Mediterranean recipe that has actually worked for you.